Is your life feeling overwhelming? Are you constantly juggling tasks and feeling like you're drowning in possessions? You're not alone. Many of us yearn for a more peaceful, purposeful life, free from the constant pressure to do more. Japanese minimalism offers a powerful antidote to this modern predicament. It's not about deprivation, but rather about intentional living, cultivating a space, both physical and mental, where you can thrive. Imagine a life where decisions are effortless. Your home is a source of calm, and your energy feels abundant. This isn't just a trend. It's a practical philosophy with profound implications for personal growth and well-being. Discover the key principles that can transform your life, streamlining your routines and decluttering your mind. You'll learn how to create a sustainable lifestyle that supports your goals, leaving you feeling empowered and fulfilled. Ready to unlock a more organized, peaceful, and productive you? Uncover the secrets to a tenfold improvement in your daily life. Get ready to transform your relationship with possessions, your time, and your overall well-being. Our modern lives are often characterized by excess, overflowing schedules, cluttered homes, and a constant barrage of information. This relentless pursuit of more often leads to a feeling of being overwhelmed and constantly behind. We're bombarded with messages encouraging us to buy more, do more, and be more, creating a cycle of dissatisfaction and stress. This feeling of being overwhelmed extends beyond the physical. Mental clutter in the form of anxieties, regrets, and unfulfilled aspirations can weigh us down just as heavily. Picture yourself buried under a mountain of shoulds and coulds, feeling trapped and unable to focus on what truly matters. Japanese minimalism offers a refreshing solution to this pervasive problem. This philosophy, rooted in intentional living, emphasizes reducing external clutter to cultivate a calmer, more focused mind. By decluttering our physical spaces, we can create a space for mental clarity and intentional action. Imagine a workspace or home free from distractions, allowing you to focus on your priorities. Visualize a quiet, organized environment that promotes peace and creativity. Core principles like mindful consumption and intentional action empower us to make deliberate choices about our possessions and activities. This allows us to concentrate our efforts and resources on what truly brings us joy and fulfillment. With these foundational elements, we can begin to understand how to make our lives significantly easier. Ready to experience the transformative power of Japanese minimalism? Unlock a more intentional and fulfilling life by subscribing and joining the conversation in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask questions, and let's build a supportive community dedicated to simplifying and enriching our lives. Your feedback is invaluable, and your participation is key to continuing this journey of learning and growth together. Let's begin by setting a clear goal to cultivate a more intentional and less stressful life. One practical step is to start decluttering. This doesn't mean discarding everything. It's about consciously evaluating each item, a book, a piece of clothing, a digital file, and asking yourself if it serves a purpose or sparks joy. Consider a cluttered desk. Instead of simply pushing papers around, take a moment to review each item. Does it align with your current goals and aspirations? If not, release it. The process may feel uncomfortable at first, but the sense of calm that follows is profound. Apply this principle to your daily routine too. Identify tasks or commitments that drain your energy without adding significant value. Streamline these routines to eliminate unnecessary steps. For example, if you find yourself constantly checking social media, schedule specific times for these interactions to avoid distractions throughout the day. Finally, cultivate gratitude. Take a few moments each day to appreciate the things you have, both big and small. This simple practice can shift your focus from what's missing to what's present, fostering a sense of contentment. This approach allows you to focus on what genuinely matters. In today's fast-paced world, we're often overwhelmed by the constant demands of work, family, and personal pursuits. This relentless pressure can lead to burnout, anxiety, and a sense of being perpetually behind. The digital age, with its constant notifications and endless streams of information, exacerbates this feeling of overwhelm. We're constantly bombarded with the need to do more, achieve more, and have more, leaving us feeling depleted and disconnected from our true needs. This pervasive pressure has created a significant gap in understanding how to simplify our lives intentionally. We struggle to prioritize and effectively manage our time and resources. The principles of Japanese minimalism provide a vital antidote to this overwhelming trend. They offer a practical framework for managing our time and possessions, creating space for mindfulness and well-being. Imagine reclaiming precious hours from unproductive tasks, fostering a sense of calm amidst the chaos, and cultivating a more fulfilling relationship with yourself and your surroundings. This is crucial now, more than ever. By embracing these principles, you can not only declutter your physical space, but also clear mental clutter, enabling you to focus on what truly matters. This clarity is essential for navigating the complexities of modern life effectively. A fundamental concept in Japanese minimalism is intentionality. It's not about getting rid of everything, but rather consciously choosing what to keep. Ask yourself, does this item truly serve a purpose or bring me joy? If not, consider releasing it. This intentional approach extends to your daily routine. Identify tasks that drain your energy without adding significant value. Could you streamline these, delegate them, or even eliminate them altogether? For example, consider a daily email overload. Instead of responding immediately, schedule designated times for checking and responding, limiting the distraction. Decluttering your physical space is a powerful starting point. Imagine a desk overflowing with papers and items. Organize it by category and remove anything that doesn't relate to your current priorities. A clear workspace fosters a clear mind. Visual, a before and after image of a desk could greatly enhance understanding here. Furthermore, embrace mindful consumption. Before buying something, ask yourself, do I truly need this? Will it serve a lasting purpose? This shift in mindset prevents impulsive purchases and fosters a deeper appreciation for what you already own. Think of the last time you bought something on impulse. Did it truly bring you lasting joy, or was it a fleeting purchase? One common challenge is the fear of letting go. To overcome this, adopt a mindful approach to decluttering. Instead of emptying a drawer at once, focus on a single item at a time. Ask yourself, does this truly add value? If not, gently release it, acknowledging its past purpose without dwelling on the potential loss. Implementing mindful consumption requires discipline. When faced with tempting purchases, pause and ask yourself if this item aligns with your values and long-term goals. Create a waiting period for impulse buys. Consider if you'll still want it in a week, a month, or a year. Often, the initial desire fades, revealing the true need. Another obstacle is maintaining momentum. Instead of aiming for perfection, celebrate small victories. Declutter a single shelf, choose one item to donate, or simply declutter one digital folder. These small steps, accumulated over time, lead to substantial changes. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Instead, view them as learning opportunities and gently adjust your approach as needed. Maintaining a minimalist lifestyle is an ongoing process. Regularly review your possessions, commitments, and routines, ensuring they still align with your goals and values. This allows you to adapt as your life evolves, maintaining a sense of control and intentionality. Going beyond basic decluttering, consider the concept of emotional minimalism. This involves identifying and releasing emotional baggage that clutters your mind and hinders your progress. For example, holding on to resentment or past grievances can significantly impact your present well-being. Addressing these emotions with intention and releasing them can create space for positive energy and growth. One compelling case study involves a successful entrepreneur who realized that their constant need to acquire more possessions stemmed from an underlying fear of inadequacy. By confronting this fear and adopting a minimalist mindset, they drastically reduced their stress levels and increased their focus on meaningful pursuits. This transformation highlights the profound impact of minimalism on emotional well-being. The result? a more intentional, fulfilling life, and a newfound sense of calm, rather than the constant pressure to acquire. Studies consistently show a correlation between clutter and stress levels. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that individuals living in cluttered environments reported significantly higher levels of anxiety and overwhelm compared to those in organized spaces. This underscores the tangible link between physical and mental well-being. Furthermore, experts in the field of positive psychology emphasize the importance of intentional living. Research consistently highlights that individuals who consciously curate their possessions and experiences report higher levels of life satisfaction and reduced stress. This resonates with the core principles of Japanese minimalism, which emphasizes mindfulness and intentionality in all aspects of life. Anecdotal evidence further reinforces these findings. Numerous success stories highlight how embracing minimalism fosters a deeper appreciation for experiences over possessions. Individuals who adopt this approach often find themselves with more free time and energy to pursue passions and meaningful connections. Consider the impact on productivity. A 2019 study by the University of Oxford demonstrated that organized workspaces correlate with a 15% increase in productivity. By implementing minimalist principles, you can unlock this potential within your own life. So you're thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually start? The key is to start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Pick one area, your wardrobe, your desk, your digital files, and apply the principles of intentional living. One expert suggests focusing on decluttering one drawer a week. This gradual approach makes the process less daunting and more sustainable. You'll be amazed how much you can accomplish when you break down large tasks into manageable steps. Remember, Japanese minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about conscious choice. It's about letting go of what doesn't serve you and embracing what does. So are you ready to take the first step? Start by making a list of things that bring you joy, the things you want to keep in your life. Then focus on these. These are the things that fuel you, that bring meaning, that nourish you. It's about finding a balance between having less and being more. You'll find that the simplicity of a minimalist life frees up mental space, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, and you'll find that you enjoy the journey more. So, how can you truly simplify your life? The key is intentionality. It's about consciously choosing what brings you value and letting go of the rest. This extends to both your physical possessions and your mental commitments. Embrace mindful consumption and streamline your routines. Start small. Choose one area of your life, your home, your wardrobe, your digital space, and apply the principles of minimalism. This might involve decluttering a single shelf, donating an item, or deleting unnecessary files. These small steps will accumulate to create significant positive change. By embracing a minimalist mindset, you're not just decluttering your space, you're decluttering your mind. This mental clarity leads to increased focus, reduced stress, and a greater sense of purpose. You'll discover more time for what truly matters. Ready to unlock this potential? Start with a simple action today. Join the conversation below and share your minimalist journey. Ultimately, the journey toward a more intentional life is a personal one. Japanese minimalism isn't a rigid set of rules, but a flexible framework for cultivating a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. It's about finding a sense of peace and purpose in the present moment. Embrace the freedom that comes with letting go of the unnecessary. Minimalism empowers you to focus on experiences and connections rather than accumulating things. This shift in perspective can profoundly transform your relationship with possessions, time, and ultimately your overall well-being. So as you embark on your minimalist journey, remember to be kind to yourself. It's a process, not a destination. Continue to explore, learn, and adapt these principles to fit your unique needs and aspirations. The possibilities for growth and self-discovery are limitless. Now go out there and create the life you truly desire.